So a student estimates the maximum speed of the some different moving objects, which maximum speed is not a reasonable estimate. Okay, which of them is not a reasonable estimate? So how do we do this? So what you do is, to understand which is a reasonable estimate or not, convert this into kilometer per hour, because this is the one which we are usually using. This we get to understand this. So therefore, now this if I convert it, will be 10 into 18 by 5, which will be 36 kilometer per hour. Okay. So what did I do? I just converted meter per second. See, the conversion is 1 meter per second is 18 kilometer per hour. This is what is the conversion. Okay, 18 by 5, sorry, 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, I converted this. Similarly, do this one here. This will be 0.1 kilometer per second will be equal to how much? This will be, first let me convert it into meters. This will be 100 meters per second, which should now be equal to 100 into 18 by 5, which should be 20 into 18 kilometer per hour, which should be 360 kilometer per hour. Do you think anybody can run like this? Definitely nobody can run. Even I don't think Usain Bolt can run so much, right? So definitely this is the correct answer. If you want, you can verify this also here. So this would be 90 centimeter per second. 9,000 centimeter per second is 90 meter per second. 90 meter per second would be, 90 meter per second would be, so it's 100 meter per second, 90 meter per second, nearly 360 kilometer per hour only, or maybe lesser than that. Okay, so a racing car can have this speed. Okay, so this is possible. A snail, for example, 0.01 kilometer per hour. What do I need? I want kilometer per hour only. It's already in that. So therefore, this is possible over here. 0.01 kilometer per hour is possible. So therefore, so all these three are possible. B is incorrect. So B is the right answer.